はい、どうもこんにちは。シャドーイングボーイこと森本です。今日も English Grammar In Use を使ったシャドーイングをやっていきたいと思います。今日はユニット127から129をやっていきたいと思います。ちょっと今日はほろ酔いなので、ろれつが回らないかもしれませんが、やっていきましょう。それでは、よーい、スタート。 We sat in the seat. It was too hot to sit in the sun. Don't go out in the rain.Waiting until it stopped. When you do the exam, you are not allowed to write in the pencil. Please rewrite your name in capital letters. Write the story in your own words. They are very happy together. They all laugh. In my opinion, the movie was very good. I didn't watch the news on television, but I heard it on the radio.I've never met her, but I've spoken to her in the office a new time. There are no trains today, but driver is on the strike. I've put on a lot of weight. I have to go not tired. Look, that car in the fire. Sometimes I have the problems at work, but on the whole, I enjoy my job. I'm sorry. I didn't know you. I did it on purpose.I'm going on holiday next week. Emma's away on business at the moment. One day I'd like to go on the world tour. Steve is going to France for a holiday. Tracy left school at 16. Oh, Tracy left school at the age of 16. The train was traveling at 120 miles an hour.Water boiled at 100 degrees Celsius. Can I pay by credit card? You can contact me by phone or by email. We hadn't arranged to meet. We met by chance. I didn't do it on purpose. It was an accident. Jess usually go to work by bus. Did you come here by car or on foot?They didn't come in car, they came in a taxi. We traveled on the 645 train. Have you ever been bitten by a dog? The program was the millions of people. The door must have been opened with a key. The door must have been opened by somebody with a key. Have you read anything about Hemingway? Come and sit by me.Where's the light switch? By the door. Claire's salary has just gone up to £2,500 a month, £2,750, so increased by £250. Or, so it is increased by 10%. Car and Mike was raised 200 meters. Car went by 3 meters.The company closed down because there wasn't enough demand for its product. There are no excuses for behavior like that. There's no need for it. The train was delayed, but nobody knew the reason for the delay. The advantage of living alone is there continual like. There are any advantages in living alone, or there are many advantages of living alone.The cause is exposed and exposed unknown. The related showed me pictures for family. I had a map of the town, so I had able to find my way around. There have been an increase in the number of the road accidents recently. Last year was a bad one to the company. There was a big fall in the sales. The accident was more.So I had to pay all the damage at the other car. Did you get the invitation to the party? I helped hear the solution of the problem. I was surprised at Helen's reaction to my suggestion. His attitude to his job is very negative. Or, his attitude toward the job is very negative. Do you have a relationship with your parents? The police want to question the money connection with the robbery. The police believe that there is no connection between the two crimes. There are some differences between the British and the American English. 1首目 We sat in the shade. It was too hot to sit in the sun. Don't go out in the lane. Wait until it stops. When you are doing the exam, you are not allowed to write in the pencil. Please write your name in capital letters. Write your story in your own words. They are very happy together. They are loved. In my opinion, the movie was very good. I didn't watch the news in television, but heard it on the radio. I've never met her, but I've spoken to her on the office a few times. They are on the train today. The driver is on the strike. I put in a lot of weight. I have to go on a diet. Look, that car is on the fire. Sometimes I have the problem to work, but on the whole, I enjoyed my job. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to annoy you. I did it on purpose. I'm going on holiday next week. I'm at the way of business at the moment. One day, I'd like to go on the world tour. Steve is going to France on holiday. Tracy left school at 16. Oh, Tracy left school at the age of 16. The train was traveling at 120 miles an hour. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Can I pay by credit card? You can contact me by phone or by email. We hadn't lent to me. We met us by chance. I didn't buy your trouble. It was an accident. Jess usually go to work by bus. Did you come here by car or on foot? They didn't come in a car. They came in a taxi. We traveled on the 1645 train. Have you ever been bitten by a dog? The program is watched on millions of people. The door must have been opened with a key. The door must have been opened by somebody with a key. Have you listened to anything that I understand anyway? Come and sit by me. Where's the light switch? By the door. Claire's salary is just under £2,500 £2,750. So it is increased by £250. Or, so it is increased by 10%. Car is bike with less of the 200 meters. Car 1 by the 3 meters. The company closed down because there wasn't enough demand for its product. There are no excuses of behavior like that. There is no need for it. The train was late, but nobody knew the reason for the delay. The advantage of the living alone is that you can do like. There are many advantages in the living alone. Or, there are many advantages of living alone. The cost of the closet is unknown. Let's show me the picture of a family. I had a mom at the time, so I was able to find the man home. There has been an increase in the number of products in the recently. Last year was a bad one for the company. There was a big fall in the sales. The accident was my fault, so I have to pay for the damage to the other car. Did you get into the intention of the party? I hope that it is the solution of the problem. I was surprised at the high reaction to my suggestion. His attitude to his job is very negative. Or, his attitude towards the job is very negative. Do you have a good relationship with your parents? The police want to question the connection with the robbery. The police believe there is no connection between the crimes. There are some differences between the British and the American English. はい、終了しました。今回はちょっと長かったですけれども、ほろ酔いの中よくシャドーイングできたかなと思います。それではまた明日もやっていきましょう。グッバイ。